Alright everybody, we are back in Kissimmee, Florida, and we're going to take a look at these crossings. So let's get started. First, safe trend gate mechanism. Here's the gate, Simon's Gate. Double base, type 2149. Amtrak is going to be coming from that direction. Lights RWC Hayes, seen right there. Simon's Gate. There's a pedestrian gate, and there's a pedestrian crossing right there. Let's look at the pedestrian gate into a gate mechanism. I think it's a safe trend gate mechanism, so let's find out. Safe trend gate mechanism, seen right there. WCA's lights. Two cross box. Seeing two tracks. Is your other big gate? Omni crossing things. Omni rail. Same WC Hayes signal base. Type 2149. It's a double one. Here's your pulley for the gate. This one's probably a different gate mechanism. See your yellow, red, 3 yellows and 1 red. Simon's Gate mechanism. WC Hayes lights. Simon's Gate mechanism right there. Safe trend type 2149. Let's go take a look at this pedestrian. This small gate. I think it's the same kind of gate. But let's just see. Here's a no trespassing sign. There's a railroad crossing saying no. Type 2149 on the signal base. Safe trend gate mechanism. Looking north towards Orlando and your big crossing. We'll do a tour of that crossing eventually. Looking south towards Tampa and Miami. And Poinciana, because it goes past Poinciana Station. Here's your station that says all your letters C, D, E, all the way up to A. 3 yellow lights. On this side we have 1 yellow light, and that's for Amtrak. And here's your other gate mechanism. Simon's Gate mechanism. Simon's signal base. NEG lights, seen up there. Double Simon signal base. There's your CFRC. Last but not least, let me show you your phone number for the crossing. There's your emergency info for the crossing. So now let's wait for Amtrak 97 going towards Miami, Florida, coming from that direction. It's in Orlando so far. Let's wait till it comes.